What happened? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my god. Please tell me it's a broken chicky check just for the record. Record breaker. Record back rimmer. Today is Saturday, September what? September 14th, I think. Yes, y'all. You know, we're out here doing it big with my favorite sunglasses on. Couple fun little sets coming in. Got Ed Soto with me. Amazing little sunrise, beautiful morning. Come on, Eddie! Here comes one. See if it comes to the inside or not. Dude, that was epic. And 3D up close and personal. Yeah, what's up? It's the 4152 crew. You know what we do? We make action videos for you. What? Yeah. We be riding. We be gliding. Yeah, we capture it and then we shred it, scissor it, copy and paste it, move it around, and then we what? YouTube, you know we publish it. Yeah. Watch out for the next episode. Hey. Make new videos every day.
Beachy Peach, here we go. Beachy Peach is the best. Come out here and you learn how to do the sets. Turner Berm is where we do it the best. Come out here with your friends and the rest.
Beachy Peach, that's the way to go. You can either go high or low. Just a fun fact if you wanted to know. Hitting jumps are fast or slow. Middle set, it's so easy if you wanted to know. The lips are so smooth, you can either start and flow. Tori and Ed, they are the man. If you need help, they will give you a hand. Yeah.